friends, today we are going to learn one of the shining star of share market, that is Indo-Borax and Chemical Limited. Its market cap is 484 crore, current price is rupees 1507, 52 week high is rupees 1702, 52 weeks low is rupees 247, stock PE is 14.1, book value is rupees 539, dividend yield is 0.13, ROCE is 30%, ROE is 22%, face value is rupees 10. We are going to analyze the upcoming result which is going to be declared for April, May, June. Okay, so if we see last year, April, May, June, the revenue was around 22 crore, net profit around 5.74 crore, EPS was around 17.89, operating profit margin around 36%, net profit margin around 25%. Last year, during this time, there was a lockdown situation. If you see, on the evening of 24th March 2020, the government of India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi ordered a nationwide lockdown for 21 days. So, lockdown was initiated at the end of March 2020 and then it continued. Obviously, since it was a nationwide lockdown, the impact was huge. But in this year, 2021, the lockdown was scattered. It is the state's liberty to have the state's lockdown. So it was not nationwide lockdown. Okay. So compared to last year, this year the lockdown impact was less. Hence, we can expect better result compared to last year, June 20. Okay. That is one reason. Second reason, if you see, they are more into boric acid and lithium hydroxide monohydrate. So last year boric acid price was around 76 in the month of April, May, June, and this year it was around 106. So there is 39% plus. This will help Indo-Borax company. Okay. Similarly, lithium hydroxide monohydrate. If you compare December 2020, the price was around $10, and in June, at the end of June 2021, its price was around 15.25. So net 53% increase in the price of lithium hydroxide monohydrate. Okay, so this company is producing both. If you see their website, you can see they produce borax, boric acid and lithium hydroxide. So the price is improved compared to last year. Also, if you see here, lithium hydroxide prices compared to last year around 10, and steadily it is getting increasing towards $15 plus. Okay, so this is a good sign for the company. Also, if you see, week on week, lithium hydroxide monohydrate prices are increasing. All this will benefit this company. So net we can expect around 30 crore revenue with a profit of around 8 crore, EPS around 20 to 25 range, net profit margin and operation profit margin also improved accordingly. Another plus point for this company is they have declared dividend of rupees 10, and also they have declared stock split from the face value of rupees 10 to rupees 1. So in next 2 months period, all this dividend declaration, stock split, AGM, everything will happen, and we will see the stock price appreciating further. So this company is very good. One can analyze further. Its share capital is very low. It is around 3 crore. Even when they do the stock split, its share capital will be still low and it will give multifold returns. It has given multi-bagger returns and it is going to give again multifold returns during the upcoming time. So patience is required. If you see, their share capital is rupees 3 crore. Their reserves are increasing. Their borrowings are decreasing. Also, promoter shareholding is around 55 plus. Public shareholding around 44 plus. So it is ready for breakout and it will cross 52 weeks high soon. Thank you for watching. Please do your own research. Thank you.